So the same congratulations to the reserve best broodmare, and this was the winner of the senior broodmare class, number 796, Owen Jones with Nepo Raquel. And we'll now be moving on to first of 4 classes, class 65, the colts. Felly symud syth ymlaen rwan I dosbarth cyntaf y cywion yn ysgrifennu gyda cywion dwryw, a hwn ar dudalen 158 y catalog. So for those following the mark in the catalog, we're now on class 65 on page 158 and 159 in the catalog.
Down in the shy section of the main ring here this morning, we have the results in for class special 301, dosbarth arbennig 301, mae'r canlyniadau I fewn nawr am y ceffylau gwedd. Felly, the David Lloyd Perpetual Challenge Cup and Royal Welsh Agricultural Show Special Present goes to number 2066. That's our winner from class 300, the Filio-Gelding 2-year-olds, and that is AJ and CJ Cleaving with Sioe.
Mae'r egni yn codi yn y prif gylch wrth I ni weld Llanwarne Miss Candy yn mynd ar y wobr gynta, y Caseg Wag gyda'r Rhanfrid Cymreig a llongyfarchiadau i'r perchenog John Williams.
Was next competitor. Llongyfarchiadau mawr I Clef 2-66 yn cymryd the David Lloyd Perpetual Challenge Cup, and we're very fortunate here this morning to have family members of the late David in our tower.
Wel, dyma fi gyda enillydd dosbarth y Caseg Wag yn y Rhanfrid Cymreig. Many congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau mawr I chi.
Yeah, thank you very much. It means an awful lot to us and the family, and the family. We've had a tough year, and this May always puts a smile on our face.
Well, that's fab. And do you own the May yourself?
My father and mother-in-law own the May, so it's all home produced. My mother-in-law does a fantastic job at producing these ponies. It's bred on the farm, and we just had a lot of fun with her. We were gifted, two Towie Valley for John was gifted 2 Towie Valley mares, and we put it to our Section B stallion, and this is what we produce.
A Royal Welsh winner.
A Royal Welsh winner, and absolutely fantastic. I tell you what, win or lose, we'll have some booze.
Love it. Well, many congratulations and good luck in the championship. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.